look at this. This is crazy. We are in Texas on I-10. Right outside, I think it's Van Horn.
That's not
Who?
Kent.
Kent, Texas. We're heading west to California. And it was nice and sunny. And we've seen the little clouds down the road. And now it's hailing. And it's big pieces of hail too. You can see it. And the sad part is we're the only truck going this way. Everybody else is going the opposite way. There is something in the road. I think that's ice. Yeah, that's ice.
It wasn't there, so.
Alright guys. Well, yeah, now it's disappearing. Yeah, so that was ice. Lines of ice.
Yeah, temperature dropped.
Temperature drop? Oh, look at those clouds.
Alrighty, we made it to the belly of the beast.
That was hard. I was about to leave you up here. Go lay down. Oh, guys, I don't do wind when I'm not driving. I can't sit in the passenger side and drive through this, or just sit and endure this. I leave him hanging. I go run and lay down in the bed.
I get this on my shift.
Yeah, he get the mornings.
All the time.
The mornings, I usually just get a little bit of traffic, or if we're in the city or something like that, I deal with the morning traffic and stuff like that. At night, he always, 10 out of 10, he always get the big storms, the heavy rain, the gusty winds, the heavy wind, the snow. He gets everything. I miss everything. I'll be in the back sleeping. If he wakes me up and he's like, come out here, I'm like, oh crap, it's some weather. And most of the time it is snow. We're in Southern California, or the southern part of Arizona, Texas, somewhere that, does not supposed to be snowing, and it's snow. So yeah. Alright guys, so just wanted to show you what we're driving through. We'll be in California, San Bernardino, sometime tomorrow. So just wanted to show you this crazy weather. Look at this. Look at those clouds. That is bad. But it's not, see, all the way out there. Guys, go ahead and end the video there. Hope everyone has a safe and beautiful evening.